It's hard to grasp the vastness of space. Even saying infinite doesn't do it justice. We look up at the night sky full of wonder, asking ourselves, are we alone? Friends, are we truly alone in the universe? Could there be life hidden somewhere among the countless stars and galaxies? What does the Qur'an say about the possibility of other beings, and what is modern science, with its space telescopes and planetary missions, actually finding? Today, we'll explore one of humanity's greatest questions through revelation and reason. Does the Qur'an hint at extraterrestrial life? And what is science discovering about it? The Qur'an begins by reminding us that ultimate knowledge of the unseen belongs to Allah alone. Say, none in the heavens and the earth knows the unseen except Allah. Qur'an 27-65. Yet there is a fascinating verse that many scholars and researchers highlight. When discussing the possibility of life beyond earth, and among his signs is the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the living creatures he has scattered in both, and he is capable of gathering them whenever he wills. Qur'an 42-29. Here the Arabic word dabba refers to living, moving creatures. The phrase in both FEMA clearly mentions both the heavens and the earth. This is not a definitive statement that aliens exist as humans imagine them, but it is certainly an allusion to the possibility of life beyond earth. The Qur'an also speaks of jinn, a creation made from smokeless fire, Surah ar-Rahman, Surah al-Jinn. But it is important to clarify, jinn are spiritual beings, not biological life forms in the sense that science searches for. When scientists say alien life, they mean biological organisms, microbes, plants, or intelligent life. The Qur'an gives hints about creation's vastness, but leaves the details open, inviting humans to explore and reflect. One of the most profound revelations in the Bible is found in the book of Psalms, chapter 19, verse 1. The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of his hands. These words, along with the Quranic verse we just discussed, remind us that the universe and its immensity is a testament to God's creativity. The exploration of space is therefore not just a scientific endeavor, but a spiritual journey that deepens our understanding and appreciation of the divine. This journey becomes more compelling with each new discovery made by modern science. In just the last 30 years, astronomy has undergone a revolution. As of August 2025, scientists have confirmed 5,983 exoplanets, planets orbiting stars other than our Sun. According to NASA's Exoplanet archive, this number is growing every week, and the real number could be in the trillions. This discovery has changed everything. Planets are common, and if planets are common, then habitable zones, regions where liquid water could exist, are also common. And wherever water can exist, the possibility of life increases. But what about the habitability of these planets? Scientists use various methods to analyze potential signs of life known as biosignatures. One of the latest techniques involves examining the atmospheres of exoplanets as they pass in front of their stars. During these moments, starlight filters through the planet's atmosphere, and scientists can detect which wavelengths of light are absorbed, indicating the presence of specific chemicals. For example, the discovery of methane on WASP-39b was a significant event. This gas is rare in the atmospheres of gas giants, but its presence suggests that the planet has a substantial amount of carbon, an essential element for life as we know it. Another promising method is the detection of light changes caused by plants. If an exoplanet has plants similar to Earth, their light will change in predictable ways as they grow and photosynthesize. This technique, although in its infancy, holds immense potential for future discoveries. Perhaps one of the most exciting advancements comes from the James Webb Space Telescope JWST, launched in December 2021. Its advanced infrared capabilities allow it to peer through dust clouds and observe things invisible to older telescopes. JWST is hunting for biosignatures in novel ways, like studying the interaction of light with water on potentially habitable worlds. It is so sensitive that it can detect what a planet reflects from its star. By analyzing this reflected light, scientists hope to determine whether a planet has an ocean or other bodies of water. JWST is also peering into the atmospheres of exoplanets to identify chemical signatures of life. By measuring how much light passes through an exoplanet's atmosphere, scientists can identify the gases present and search for telltale signs of life. So what has JWST discovered? Well, in 2023 to 2025, JWST studied the atmosphere of K-18b, a planet about 120 light-years away. It detected signs of methane and carbon dioxide (CO) gases that suggest an active carbon-based chemistry. Let's also discuss the possibility of life within our own solar system. Many moons in our solar system are thought to harbor vast oceans beneath their icy surfaces. For example, Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, is believed to have a vast ocean beneath its frozen crust. NASA's Galileo spacecraft observed this moon and estimated that its ocean could contain twice as much water as all the water on Earth. Similarly, Saturn's moon Enceladus ejects water vapor from its south pole, hinting at a subterranean ocean. In 2018, NASA's Cassini spacecraft detected organic molecules in the plume, providing the raw materials for life. These moons are prime candidates for hosting life because they receive sufficient energy from their parent planets to support life as we know it. Then there's Mars, our neighboring planet. Mars is a cold desert today, but evidence suggests that billions of years ago, it was a warmer, wetter place. NASA's Curiosity rover has detected methane in the thin Martian atmosphere. Methane is often associated with life since it is produced by living things on Earth. However, the source of methane on Mars remains uncertain and needs further investigation. While the exact nature of these discoveries is debated, they underscore the vastness of our universe and the intriguing possibilities that lie within it. The continued exploration of space not only deepens our scientific understanding, but also sparks our curiosity about the existence of life beyond Earth. Now, let's look at the compatibility between the Qur'an and science on this issue. When we put the Qur'an and science side by side, we see harmony in perspective. 1. Qur'an 42:29 speaks of living creatures scattered in the heavens and the earth. This suggests at least the possibility of life beyond Earth. 2. Jinn, mentioned as spiritual beings, not physical extraterrestrials. 3. Other verses e.g. Qur'an 36:36. Qur'an 16:49 highlight the diversity and abundance of creation. Thus, the Qur'an provides signs of vast creation, while science provides tools of discovery, both humans toward reflection and humility. Now, let's address some frequently asked questions. What is a biosignature? In science, a biosignature is any detectable sign that may point to life, for example, oxygen plus methane together, or certain organic molecules. But a single gas or chemical is never enough. Scientists must rule out non-biological explanations. That's why even the possible detection of DMS on K-18b is treated carefully. Are UFOs evidence of aliens? As of today, there is no confirmed evidence that UFO sightings represent alien spacecraft. Science demands extraordinary evidence for extraordinary claims. Is the Qur'an against science? Not at all. The Qur'an encourages seeking knowledge and understanding the natural world. Verses like "and I certainly created the human for hardship" Qur'an 90-4 highlight challenges we must overcome through understanding. Does the Qur'an say anything about intelligent alien life? While the Qur'an discusses the possibility of life elsewhere, it doesn't specifically mention intelligent civilizations. In conclusion, friends, the search for life in the cosmos is really a search for understanding Allah's infinite creation. If there is life out there, it too is His creation. If not, then the universe still testifies to His greatness. Either way, the Qur'an calls us to reflect, to explore, and to remain humble before the vastness of the universe. So what do you think? Do you believe in extraterrestrial life? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.